Hey, YouTube car community here. I've just had a breakthrough fixing my fuel pressure regulator on my RX-7, and this should apply for, any gasoline car, not just a weird Wankel engine. Um, so this is the story. Basically, we've got this fuel pressure regulator that's built into the rail, and I had done my tests and had the fuel pressure gauge there, did all that. Look at Eric the car guy or somebody like that if you want to learn how to do the tests. And I boiled everything down to, the issue was it wasn't holding any fuel pressure when I keyed off. So I was real worried about that, getting this engine started after 8 years of this guy having it sit when I bought it from him. So the fix is the best kind of fix. What's the best kind of fix for a car guy? The $0 fix, which hopefully this will work for a couple of you guys out there. I just got lucky. Basically, I hooked this thing up on a ghetto test system. I put some tire valves in here to block off where the injectors would go here, and then I use another tire valve so that I can use pressure from a bike pump. Yeah, it's air and not fuel, but you'll know when you use it that this is achieving the same results, and heck, air is even smaller than fuel molecules or whatnot, so obviously this is going to be even tighter fit. Then I was able to also use the Mighty Vac to simulate the engine vacuum that's pulling on the regulator that's supposed to change the rate that this opens up. So basically fuel goes in, it's supposed to stop here until it builds up to the given pressure, so it's like 30. What was happening was in the car, it wasn't holding pressure. You pull it off, and I pump this thing up, and the air was coming out of here, which means that would have been fuel just leaking through. So the door inside wasn't closing. And, I thought about hitting it with a hammer, but instead I just got some handy WD-40 and sprayed it in here and here and here, and then set this rig back up together and just kept pumping it until, which is basically just working the air through. And I got lucky, lubricated the damn thing, and now it's great. So for example, right now we're gonna test it with the engine. Imagine there's some engine vacuum, that's a shit ton. Anyways, that's gonna let it open up. There's a little leak coming out of the top of this thing, but anyways, we're holding pressure, and then you heard it there. So basically, I put this little bag here, you can get the effect of, this is it opening up at like 30 psi. There it goes. And then if we take this down, yeah, that's Harbor Freight. Take this down to 0. It's gonna open up at a higher RPM, or a higher pressure, because that would be under load. It gives it more fuel. So I'm getting that. And I'm not, what you don't wanna see, you don't wanna have any air escaping through here until it hits that number. And your car factory service manual or whatever Haynes manual should have that number for you, but I'm sure you're going to be somewhere around where I'm at, which is like 30 to 40 psi. And yeah, I hope this helps some people out there, because this sucker is old, and a new one is $300, and I had a feeling that this thing's too damn simple to fail. So hope this helps some people out there with the problems. I'm gonna go to bed, sleep well tonight.